Hello there. Welcome back to Quiz Doctor. Would you rather? Snacks edition. Which snack do you prefer? If you're ready, subscribe and let's get started. French fries or potato chips? Nacho cheese or Cool Ranch? Oreo cookie or chocolate chip cookie? Popcorn or pretzels? Gummy bears or Sour Patch Kids? Only eat homemade snacks or only eat store-bought snacks? Salted peanuts or honey roasted peanuts? Plain crackers or cheese crackers? Milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Marshmallows or jelly beans? Brownie or blondie? Unlimited chips or unlimited candy? Pancakes with syrup or waffles with syrup? Cinnamon roll or Danish? Donut or muffin? Toast with jam or croissant with ham and cheese? Avocado toast with egg or breakfast burrito? Never eat chocolate again or never eat cheese again? Sour gummy worms or sour belts? Cheetos or Fritos? Granola bar or candy bar? Caramel popcorn or cheese popcorn? cheeseburger or hot dog? Give up pizza for a year or give up burgers for a year? Chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream? Cheese pizza or pepperoni pizza? Tacos or burritos? Spaghetti or lasagna? Sushi or ramen? Have a chocolate fountain or have a nacho cheese fountain? Chicken wings or chicken tenders? Lemonade or iced tea? Snickers or Reese's? Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Coffee or tea? Eat a whole jar of pickles or eat a whole bag of spicy chips?